working with the vertical chopping machine. Today we are going to cut lettuce. Alright, for using the vertical chopping machine with lettuce, we need to cut off the ends, put the lettuce right in a pan. Like so. And now we're going to go over to the sink and wash the lettuce. Before using the vertical chopping machine, we want to make sure that it is clean inside and that the blade is tight. To open, this lever goes down and the top lifts up. Alright, to check the blade, you look at this disc right here that spins. It spins opposite of a normal threading and it says lock counterclockwise. So you want to hold the blade and just hand tighten it snug left counterclockwise. And then we can leave it open because we're going to put the lettuce in. Alright, so we've washed the lettuce. We're going to put it in. We don't want to overload the machine, so we'll put in about that much. Alright, now we're going to put down the lid. This bar goes back up. Now it's powered. This is where we turn it on and off. So we go on, off very quickly. So the handle swings this way. So we're pushing this to the left, this goes to the right. We'll give this a quick turn, because that's going to stir everything that's inside there so that we move the lettuce around a little bit. If you want to take a look, you can spin this over and see what the first cut did. It's very important that you go on and off, otherwise it's going to over chop. On and off. And if you want, at this point, you can open it up and check to see the cutting. So just with 2 spins, it's starting to chop it, but for salad, we need it a little bit more. So maybe 1 or 2 more spins. Again, make sure that the salad is distributed on and off. And I'm looking, we need 1 more. Just make sure that we got this salad spun around. You do not want to reach into there and do that with your hand, even when the machine is off. Okay, our final one, and we open up. And we have lettuce that is chopped for salads. Now, before we remove the lettuce, we want to get the blade out so that there's no chance of getting cut. So this now spins clockwise. Hold it here and you can twist off this nut. Set that down. Now the blade lifts out, and put that down, and now you can get your container and remove the lettuce. For cleaning, you're going to first take a rag and wipe out into another container some of the leftover liquid and lettuce. Now I'm going to use the approved cleaner and wipe down my surfaces. And if there's still any food in there, this will come out at this time. Okay, getting it all nice and clean, the walls, the sides, shaft.
Do we have any more burgers over here? Okay, because Timmy just texted and said it's down to 24.
And now we'll use our sanitizing liquid. The blade and the locking nut will go through the dishwasher. Reassemble after the blade comes out of the dish machine. The blade goes on here and it'll slide down and twist it until it drops all the way down. And then again, you've got your washer. It says lock this way, so we spin it this way. Spins down, that's tight. Just hold it just a little bit tighter. And then we close the lid, lock that down. And we will move this over so that it's closed, so that nothing can contaminate anything before the next time we use.